Ooh, we have a couch. Oh my gosh. That's nice. It feels good. Wow, you know we had a couch?
Nope.
You never had a couch before? What do you think?
It's nice.
Nice. Let's go to the bathroom. Lots of hangers. There's been a complaint recently on the Carnival. People complain about that. Not having enough. Okay, what time is it? It's about 2 hours later. We are back in our room. We found, well, we had to ask for a remote control to turn the TV volume down. That's why we are late recording this. So, got that done. Gosh, what else have we done? We've done a lot of stuff.
Oh, we've had a snack.
We went to the buffet. We went to the mini snack area. We walked around most of the ship. You rode the flow rider. And I guess that's about it. We're trying to figure out our dinner situation. The app's been really not very good. So I'm trying to see if we need a reservation because it won't let me make one in the app. If we even need one at all. So yeah.
Alright, show us around real quick.
Okay, this is a room. It was the first time we've ever had a couch, which is really cool. Love having that. It's real spacious in here. It kind of reminds me of our MSC Maravillia room, kind of, you know? Real light and airy and modern. So got a nice couch. Got lots of cabinets, drawers. Our TV here swivels out so you can watch it kind of from bed. We got a nice bed here. The mattress is curved. I know some of you guys like that. And do we have chargers over here or not? It's not a USB, but there's an outlet on this one, but not on that one. But there's a phone over there. So there's probably a plug somewhere. So yeah. Oh, bathroom. Did we show them the bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay. Bathroom's real nice.
And then a safe inside.
Oh yeah, your safe's in here.
And this is the cheapest room. It's the inside room.
Yep, this is just a regular inside cabin.
That's why we were surprised that we had a couch.
And we're at the very front of the ship, which we pretty much never pick our own room. We always just roll the cards and let them pick it. And this is our 9th cruise, and this is only the 2nd time that we've been at the very forward of the ship. But we're basically at the front. So, but hopefully we won't feel any movement. I don't think we will. It's big enough. So, nice room. I like it.
All right. And we got to call guest services.
Yep, we're gonna call them, find out about that reservation. Okay, it's 8 o'clock. There's supposed to be, according to the captain's announcement, a launch over from NASA.
From the Cape.
Is it NASA?
Yeah.
Or is it somebody else?
It's, yeah, NASA's property, SpaceX launching satellite for Starlink.
Okay, so that's supposed to happen in T-minus 18 minutes. So we're gonna hurry up, get up to the left side of the ship, he said, which, whatever side that is, and hopefully catch that launch. And then we're gonna head to dinner. Still never got to make my reservation in the app, so we're just gonna show up.
And our safe guy still hasn't showed up.
Yeah, we told our safe guy, or our room steward, to send the guy up to fix the safe. And he said, oh, 15-20 minutes, but they're busy today, you know, which we know, but it's been, I don't even know, an hour and a half. He ain't coming.
All right, so see you on the deck.
All right, see you.
But at least we got to see something.
Yeah, I say we saw most of it, don't you think?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Glow as it got bigger. That's cool. So.
And you didn't think so many people would be out here?
No. I thought there'd be a few people, but really this whole thing is like 4 people deep. So, not so much anymore, but. So, that's really cool. We've been trying to see that for a while. 9 cruises later, finally happened. So, yeah. How'd you like it?
I like it. I need a closer seat next time though.
Yeah, I wonder how far away we are. We should have looked over before we came up. So, but it's close enough to see.
And so now we're gonna head to dinner.
Yeah, it finally let me reserve it on the app. Just on the way here, out of nowhere, it decided to work. So we have a reservation for 8:45, which is 20 minutes from now. All right, we made it to dinner. The line was really long, but we made it in. Got our appetizer. I got the antipasti. What'd you get?
I got crab cake.
Crab cake. Sorry, thank you.
How's that look?
Good. Prosciutto.
What do you think about the dining room?
Nice. Really pretty. Big.
All right, so our food has arrived. And it looks like you got something in your mouth, correct?
Yes, the potatoes, they're very good. We also have a New York strip steak, and you can get peppercorn sauce, which is what I have, or herb butter, which is what you got.
Yeah. And now you want some of my butter, even though you didn't order any?
Because it looks good.
All right, so you're all done?
Yep. Delicious. I ate all my steak, all my potatoes. I didn't eat the asparagus. That's very good. How was yours?
That was good. I'm ready for my cheesecake.
I'm ready for my chocolate hazelnut cake.
So, how was it compared to your steak at Carnival?
Much better. This one was a New York strip steak, and I can't remember what Carnival has, but it's not New York strip. I don't think. Thank you.
Wow.
This looks really good. I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
And what is it?
This is the chocolate hazelnut cake. I hope it tastes better than Carnival's melting cake, because I hate that cake. What did you get?
I got cheesecake.
Yours looks good.
I can smell yours from here.
Can I put this on your plate?
Yep.
What spoon are you using?
Go ahead and take a bite.
I have to get that up. Out of the way. It's not melting inside.
Is that good or bad?
I don't know yet. It smells like a brownie. Flavor's good. Texture is a little too wet for me. I like a fluffier cake. This is more of a brownie, wet brownie. It's good though.